Trade recap time. Um, First day on the funded account has not gone well. We are down 1,000. Max loss in a day, we hit it. Daily loss limit, hit it. And we were pretty stupid. So, going into today, um, in a very bearish bias because of everything happening. Um, which is, it was fair enough. It was fair enough for a bearish bias because of all the news that was going on. Yeah. So, pretty much what we saw. We had hourly highs here, equilibrium from the low to the high, boom. We were super patient today, and we waited a long time. Mistake. Trade how we normally trade. But anyway, pre-market, well, this morning we came and took out monthly lows. Yes. So maybe I should have been looking for longs. I don't know. But so we had hourly highs, hourly equilibrium, and then 4-hour imbalance here. And now we waited until we had that hourly sweep. We were in hourly discount. We'd filled this 4-hour imbalance. We waited for news. Here was the news candle. We disrespected this massive news candle imbalance. And then we had an imbalance here. We filled it and got reaction, equilibrium from this high down to this low. This green line here. Reaction, boom, entered here. I can't get the bloody... There we go. Entered there with one contract. Then we see that imbalance get completely filled and push down. And I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'll add another position. So our risk was 0.5%. Now our risk was a full percent. Pretty simple stuff. And then, yeah, I mean, I thought I did this perfectly because we were super patient. We waited for the hourly sweep, waited for a 4-hour imbalance to be filled and hit hourly equilibrium. And we had that inverse fair value gap, 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute fair value gap and equilibrium reaction, enter, boom, stop at the high. First target was these 5-minute lows for a 1.5 RR. Final target was these lows pre-market. And I thought we were going to just shit today. We chopped it around for 50 minutes and then got stopped. We lost 600 and something on that trade. Yeah, I thought I did everything right. Then on ES, I was salty. We'd just been stopped out after 50 minutes. I saw this 1 minute imbalance. I entered off that. And then I got stopped out here because of Top Step's daily loss limit. I'd lost 1,000. They stopped me out. It hasn't even hit my stop loss, and it's gonna, yeah, it is what it is. This was pointless. Don't know why I did this. I literally said to myself, "Watch this," and entered, and then it was all right. And then I thought it was still fine, and it wasn't still fine because we got liquidated. Now, if we traded how I normally traded, which is the 4 hours bearish, take longs up to the hourly highs, I was actually watching it. Imbalance disrespected. Break of structure. Tiniest imbalance filled. Equilibrium not quite filled. But I was actually watching it and I was contemplating whether to enter there. Target just that equilibrium. It's hourly highs. They got swept. News would have given us that final push up to both targets anyway. But even if we had a tighter stop at those lows, or it's there, top of that imbalance in the hour, yeah, it is what it is though. Only reason we went short was this hourly candle closed inside this imbalance still, but that was still perfectly fine to go short still. Apparently not. But it is what it is. These two first arrows I accidentally executed. I literally made 0, lost 0 on that one. That was fine. And then this was the main trade. And then we got salty into that one. Lesson for today. Trade how you normally trade. You pass the funded for a reason. There's no need to wait for all of this and then just get, yeah. Tough day. Same on ES, if we were just trading how we normally trade, admittedly there wasn't much to go off at all. Yeah, there wasn't much in any of this to go off up to these highs, but yeah, learn that now. Trade how you normally do it because you passed for a reason. It is tough. First time they're funded, we've lost half of our total what we can lose. You know, it is a bit annoying. But we're not going to let this get us down. We're going to go into tomorrow de-risking to crawl back what we've lost, I think will be the plan. Yeah, it's fine. It's just a little setback. It doesn't really matter. We've been trading 3.5 months. It doesn't really matter. It is what it is. Unfortunately, I thought this was a perfect trade. We rated perfectly. We had the hourly sweep, far imbalance filled, hourly discount, and it was just look at this. Chopping it all up for 50 minutes, then we finally broke out, and it was a breakout to the upside. And then this was just the cherry on top of wasting wiggle room, I guess. That's a trade recap. Very annoying. Well, I thought we'd just keep going lower, especially after all the news that it came out, and the Japanese stock market crash and stock market crash over the weekend and then this morning. But it turns out we've swept out monthly lows. I guess I should have took that into account. We swept out monthly lows. I thought ES would at least get down to monthly lows as well. That's why I was still short in NQ. But maybe this is a retrace over. We're in monthly equilibrium. Do we keep going back up now? Who knows? But that's a recap for the day. Not the best. Not the best at all. Yeah. Peace out.